Yeah, so I thought it was really good. To be honest, I came in without the highest expectations, but then we started, and then we connected, and then we started building together. And then it was like each other's energy feeding off each other, and then we just had so much fun. And I actually had a fucking amazing time.
MysteryBox, like the way you guys run it was epic. Definitely recommend it. Honestly, I think just sitting around a table with a bunch of good humans, sort of collaborating, entrepreneurs, whatever, it's just the idea generation. It's just fun.
I think I did definitely not expect the deliverables that actually happened, but I really had a great time. I feel like I have some great new connections, and yeah, it was a great event. Thank you so much, Morgan.